What's happening, everybody? Thanks for showing up for part 2 of our Scalpers Hideout Auto Fade Scalper automation video. This thing did so well on yesterday's data, which was June 24th, 2024, that we're going to go ahead and run it again today on June 25th data, so the following day's data. On the 24th, I believe it scored in the high 80% range as far as win rate. I think it was more like 87% or something like that. We're going to see how it does today here. We know we weren't easy to find today, so we really appreciate you being here, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you may not be able to find your way back to us, and that way you'll get all of our upcoming videos. We're going to be doing a lot of manual trading with the Auto Fade Scalper, and from time to time we'll post these full automated videos as well. It's important to note, as I say in every video, that we did not design this to run unattended in auto mode, but we want to show you some unadulterated price action here from market open at 9:30 a.m. New York time to 4 p.m. New York time. We set this thing up and we run it without any intervention by us at all. Again, that's not how we designed this. We designed this to be interactive, but we thought it was so interesting how well it did on yesterday's data that we'd run it again for you today. So here we go. We have the Fade Scalper set up to take entry at a 48% pullback. We have a stop loss of 100 ticks, and we have a profit target of 100 ticks as well. So we're a 1-to-1 ratio for this experiment. So it's market open in New York right now, and we have learned that it is best for us to wait for the first turnaround close to 15 minutes after the market opens. So here's a few minutes early, but we'll get in anyways. And our first trade there is a loss. An extra measure of patience would have paid off. All right, we're back in another long here. Let's see how this one does. Remember, in these experiments, we're only taking the first pullback of each new trend. So every time we create a reversal bar, we will take the first pullback. Oh, and that was a winner. We are near break even again on our P&L. Remember, the Auto Fade Scalper, you can choose how many trades per bar to take, and you can also choose how many trades per direction to take when running in auto mode. So at this point, we're going to wait for a reversal bar, and then it will take the first pullback that pulls back to 48%. One thing to note here is every blue triangle you see on the screen, blue or red depending on the direction, has reached the 48% pullback. We only took the first one, but look how many trades you could have got there. And we're trading one contract. We're trading 10 micros, which is equal to one contract. And every one of these 100 tick trades is $500. So in this one run alone, I'm looking at $3,000 worth of successful trades if we would have allowed it to take 6 trades per direction. All right, so we're still sitting here at negative $50. We pretty much came back from that first $500 loss. All right, we have turned around. Let's see if this thing can hit that 48% and take another entry. This time it will be short. And we are in. Looking good, and we hit our target. We are up $448 at this point. Now would be a great time to stop for the day. Remember, this is a game of probability, and our motto is quit while you are ahead. So we find that can conquer the majority of our losing days. Alright, we've turned around again. Let's see what happens here. It's about 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Alright, our pullbacks have been just a little bit shallower on this particular leg. Not quite reaching our 48% entry. It's just nipping it. Alright, so this is why we made this adjustable on the fly. At this point right here, we could see that this leg was not quite pulling back to 48%. We could have tucked that up a couple ticks and got in any of those trades. You see that's a near miss there. Okay, we are in long. No resistance in the way. And now we're in no man's land. That happens when it turns around on us, but did not hit our stop. It's not over for us yet. We're going to have to get through this resistance in between us and the target. And it looks like we may do it. Fingers crossed. And that was a saved by the bell winner. It's 3:36 p.m. We're closing in on the 4 o'clock hour here. I imagine this would be our last trade. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, we didn't quite hit the target there, but we did remain positive into the 4 p.m. hour, so we hit stop and took our profit, and we have a profit of $1,162 for the day. And that is all she wrote. So yes, it was another profitable day. It wasn't quite like yesterday. Yesterday was a much larger range, many more winners. I mean, if you look at it, we crammed an entire session into about 10 minutes here. So that's it for today. If you liked what you saw here, come and check us out at scalpershideout.com. We offer this tool on a monthly subscription as well as a lifetime license for whatever fits your budget. Please like and subscribe. We're a brand new channel here and you probably came across us by accident. So put us in your subscription list. We will be releasing a ton of manual trading videos and a lot of interesting ways to look at the market here. Hope you all have a good one.